How to buy Labubu in Pop Mart online. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Labubu in Pop Mart online. For this, open up any web browser. Now search for Pop Mart. Then head over to popmart.com. Once you're here, make sure to log into your account. Now you want to search for Labubu. You can click on the characters option, then click on all. Now scroll down a bit and select Labubu. If you want to look for the latest arrival in Labubu, then you can simply click on the sort by option. Now select latest arrival. Now scroll down and click on your preferred Labubu. Remember that Labubus sell out fast, so you might see out of stock written over here. Simply scroll down and find the one which is available. You can also pre-order. For example, this Monster Wacky Mart series figure will be available to purchase from June 13. So you can simply click on the add to bag option. Now click on view bag. Once this product has been launched, you can quickly check out and purchase it. To purchase, you will have to enter your shipping address, payment details, and click on the place order option. And this is how you can buy Labubus from Pop Mart. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.